Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am share with you count and countif. Count is we can count how many item in the proper column or range of cells. So we need to count the items. Countif is to count the number of cells. That means a certain criteria. So if you give some criteria, that one give a how many cell is there that is that criteria satisfy, that one is countif. Countif means if you give a one condition, that condition satisfy how many in that range of cell. So how to get this one? Here we can go total movies, means this is a one data set. Here is some movies and Bollywood and Hollywood. So we have a movie ID and industries and title. So we need the how many movies in the data set. So we can put equal count, okay, count. You can select the range of cell, okay. So 39 movies is there. So count is how many item in the range or column, okay. And countif is we can give a certain criteria or condition. Count if we can give a, we need to know how many Hollywood movies in the list. So we can select this range, see range here, no, range, and then we can give a criteria, means condition, Hollywood. Close the bracket. So how many Hollywood movies is there? So count is mean use countif to count the number of cells that meet a specific criteria, okay, that's a countif. Countifs, countifs means function apply criteria to cell across multiple range of and count, okay. So countifs mean ifs. The countifs function applies criteria to cells across multiple ranges and count the numbers of times all criteria meets. So we can give a criteria our range, and then criteria 1 and criteria 2, like that. Means you can give a countifs here criteria range, okay, criteria range. We need a criteria range. We have a range here, okay, and then criteria which one we need a Hollywood movies, okay. We can check Hollywood spelling and comma, and then criteria 2, second criteria, which criteria, okay, we can give a criteria 2 and range, which is range 2018. Only one Is it correct? Check, we can check it here. 2018, no? 2018, and then call Hollywood, not Bollywood, we need a Hollywood. See, only one, so it's correct. So when we give a multiple criteria, we use count ifs. Only one criteria we can give count if, other one is ifs. So count, count if, count ifs. So three we need to know now. So count, count if, count ifs. So we know three functions now. Okay, when we need to use count, we just check the numbers of items or numbers of column. Count if, when we need one criteria, we can use count if. Multiple criteria, more than one criteria, we can use count ifs. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and thumbs up. Thank you.